Welcome back, fellow web creators and entrepreneurs. In this tutorial, we're going to cover how to add a YouTube call to action to a video in Adobe Premiere by importing a motion graphics template, otherwise known as an Mogrt file or Mogrt file for short. To kick things off, if you've already got a Mogrt file ready, you can skip to this point in the video. But if you need to find a motion graphics template, there are hundreds of free and paid websites out there. A good place to find free and paid high-quality call-to-action animations, stock footage, and more is motionarray.com. Simply search call to action, select a template, and download to your PC. Moving over to Adobe Premiere. To kick things off, I've opened a small video that I'd like to add a YouTube call to action to. To begin, let's head over to the graphics panel. Down your right, you will see Adobe Premiere's default motion graphics templates. But we have no use for these and want to import our own motion graphics template. To do this, we want to click this icon down here, which will allow us to install a motion graphics template. You'll want to navigate to and open your motion graphics template. In this case, mine is called Full Scene 01. Make note of the name because you'll need to search for it once it's in Adobe Premiere. Go up to the search bar and type in the name that you remembered earlier. And there you have it. If you wish to recall your motion graphics template on other projects, you can mark it as a favorite. And then when you search it again in future, just hit this button here and it will only search for favorite items. To add the call to action to your video, simply click it and drag it to your timeline. To modify any of the attributes within the call to action, you can go up to the Edit tab up in the top right corner. Be mindful that the attributes within the Edit tab may be different from Mogrt file to Mogrt file because each person who develops them with different settings. In this particular motion graphics template, we have position to adjust left and right, up and down, scale adjustments, rotation, and also options for modifying the cursor. Next, we have the Colors tab, and this is fairly self-explanatory. You can either choose from a box down the left-hand side to pick a color, or we could select the color picker on the right to select any color on screen. Lastly, you have text options. The first being text color, then you can modify the text on the subscribe button, as well as font, and standard font formatting settings such as bold, italic, and scale. Should you wish to change where your call to action starts on your video, simply drag from the middle to your desired location. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.